Unlock the full potential of Gemini by actively shaping its intelligence. Here's how you can contribute to making this AI even smarter. Ever interacted with Gemini and thought, "I could phrase that better," or "that wasn't quite right"? Your feedback is the most vital ingredient for an AI's growth, and Gemini is built to learn from you. Step 1. Engage and observe as you use Gemini for your queries. Stay mindful of the responses. Notice what's accurate, what's helpful, and where there might be room for improvement. The more you interact, the more you'll identify these opportunities. Step 2. Utilize the feedback tools after Gemini provides a response. Look for the feedback icons. A simple thumbs up or thumbs down is a quick way to signal general satisfaction or dissatisfaction, but don't stop there. Step 3. Provide specific context for those times when a simple like or dislike isn't enough. The comment box is your best friend. Explain why you feel a certain way. For example, if a response is factually inaccurate, mention the correct information if it's unclear. Suggest how it could be rephrased. This detailed input is gold for refining Gemini's knowledge and communication style. Step 4. Be a bias detective. AI can sometimes reflect the biases present in the data it was trained on. If you notice a response that seems unfair, discriminatory, or perpetuates stereotypes, this is a critical piece of feedback. Report it clearly. Explaining the perceived bias, your vigilance, helps Gemini develop into a more equitable and unbiased AI. Step 5. Continuous refinement. Think of Gemini as a work in progress. Your ongoing feedback, whether through quick ratings or detailed explanations, directly feeds into its learning loops. This iterative process is what drives the AI to become more accurate, more helpful, and more aligned with your needs over time. By actively participating in this feedback loop, you're not just using Gemini, you're actively contributing to its evolution. So, next time you interact, remember your voice matters in making Gemini the most powerful and reliable AI assistant it can be.